Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable DND Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Okay, to enable DND you just need to open your control panel, and here you will see DND Do Not Disturb button. But firstly, you have to set up this mode to use it and to this mode not be useless, okay? So firstly, open settings, scroll down and find here, find your sounds, okay? So next, scroll down, find here do not disturb, click on it, and here you need to set up this mode. So who can interrupt do not disturb mode? People. Who of the people? For example, in conversation, none. But in calls, for example, only start contacts. Or none, of course. So here you need to set up all in the way you want. And then you just need to click on do not disturb button to enable this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.